Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a second Cash App account. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow this simple step. So basically to have another account, all you need to do is simply to have another email or another email phone number. So basically uh, the Cash App account should have unique phone numbers and emails. And basically, the process is so straightforward. All you need to do is to get your new email address or your phone number, and then you can simply just log out from your account, from your previous account, and start the process of creating a new one. So basically, you will be able to be prompted to the Cash App first, then here you will be asked to add your mobile number. By adding your mobile number, you will need to enter the code that has been sent to your mobile number as the verification code. So basically, by confirming your code, you will need just to click on next. By clicking next, you will be prompted to this page and basically you will be needing to add or to link your account with your bank account or your bank debit account. And here you can still use the same bank card that you have used before and you can link it to it. And after that, you can start adding all your personal information, such as your full name, and then you can add that hashtag, which is the username or a unique name that you can start using on hashtag. And of course, if you would like to invite friends, you can simply just click on continue, or you can simply click on skip. And by skipping all this process, you will be able to start using Cash App Card and to successfully have created your new Cash App account. So thank you for watching and see you next time.